Today I'm going to show you how to make Oriental pork soup. To get started, you'll want a saucepan over medium-high heat and add 4 cups of your favorite broth. You could use vegetable, chicken, or pork broth. Then I'm adding 6 ounces of cooked pork that's already been sliced. Then add 1 tablespoon of fresh minced ginger. Add 2 cloves of garlic that are minced. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then 3 cups of mushrooms. If you don't want to use all mushrooms, you could use a combination of carrots, beans, whatever your favorite vegetables are. But in this one today, I'm using just mushrooms. Now I'm going to stir everything together and let it sit for about 5 minutes. I want all the ingredients to have time to incorporate. It's been about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add some greens to my soup mixture. You could use some shredded Napa cabbage or bok choy. Today I'm going to be using 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. Now stir everything together. You want the spinach in there for only about 30 to 45 seconds, just long enough to have it wilt. To serve, I'm going to put my Oriental pork soup in a bowl. And I'm going to garnish with some fresh green onions. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make Oriental pork soup. Enjoy!